Now comes to the second category of reversible contraception, that is the artificial contraception. So this artificial contraception has different methods are barrier, chemical, hormonal and the IUD. So first take the barrier method of artificial contraception. The barrier method can be performed through condoms and diaphragm or volt and cervical cap. This is for both male and the female. Then while the diaphragm volt or the cervical cap are used by the female only. So by female and by both male and female. So here for the male, the condoms are made up of the latex. They are of latex. While of the female, they are of polyurethane. As the name suggests, the barrier method. So the condoms and the diaphragm or the cervical cap and the volt, they provide the barrier in the meeting of the sperm and the ova. So into the male, the most commonly known were Nirodh, Sher and Rakshak. So this Rakshak is the first Indian condom made by the Hindustan Latex Limited. First Indian condom made by Hindustan Latex Limited. So here the polyurethane for the means female and it is of latex for the male. So here it is the balloon like and it is inserted into the vagina. So and comes out as a ring, so covers the external genitalia. Then diaphragm, volt or the cervical cap. So they are inserted into the vagina, diaphragm, and cervical cap is inserted over the cervical pore, and their sperm cannot cross the cervix. Here the sperm cannot cross cervix. So it is like this. Here it is the cap like structure. So one end of it is the broader and another side it is the less diameter. So it is like this. It is inserted into the vaginal region or into the cervix, up to the cervix region. So the sperm cannot reach up to the ova. So the sperm cannot pass through the uterus and cannot reach up to the fallopian tube for the fertilization. So besides besides providing the contraception, means the condom use in the recent year has increased very much. As means besides providing the contraception, so they also provide resistance to the AIDS and the other sexually transmitted disease. So prevent STD, and they are the disposable. They are disposable and they prevent sexually transmitted disease like AIDS, chlamydia, gonorrhea. They, the resistance has been provided. So, and the diaphragm and the vault and the cervical cap, they are the reusable. They are reusable. Both means the condoms and the diaphragm, these barrier devices, barriers can be self-inserted, thus they provide the privacy to the user. So they can be self-inserted. So because can be self-inserted, so provide privacy to the user. Now the spermicidal modern condoms are also available, which here the normal condoms do not kill the sperm. So as a conclusion, what kind of question, what is the conclusion of this, and what kind of question will be asked into the NEET upon this barrier method? So here the copulation is not prohibited, so copulation is present in the barrier method, and ejaculation is also present, and the insemination, due to the barrier, sperm cannot transfer to the fallopian tube, so insemination is absent. As the insemination is absent, so the fertilization is absent. These are the important point for the NEET conclusion. And the barrier, the condoms and the diaphragm, these barrier methods are the non-spermicidal. It is non-spermicidal. To enhance the contraceptive effect, this barrier method can be associated with the chemical method. So the contraception chances are enhanced. Now comes to the chemical method. This is all about the barrier method.